Hey guys, hope you're having a great day so far. According to my phone, the temperature and everything else, supposedly it's 104. Well, it feels like 104. It's like 90 something. It's hot. We actually erected this canopy tent so I can continue to work on this 8.1 liter truck because it's outside. So, but anyway, one thing I wanted to go over, and I've mentioned this in a previous video, when you're dealing with cooler lines, like tranny cooler, oil cooler lines, stuff like that, that have clips like this. Now, a lot of times you'll have a plastic collar, like once these are in place, like what you see down there, and the line is clipped in. Once these are in place, there's usually a plastic collar that'll come over and lock the clip in place. Well, guess what? On this one, the clips or those collars are broken apart. They're missing. So anyway, what do you do then? Just leave it alone? Well, yeah, you can if you want. I don't like to, and the reason I don't like to is because vibration and stuff like that can actually cause it to fall apart. You know, cause the line to pop out. You don't want that. You want a tranny cooler line or an oil cooler line popping out while you're driving? No, I certainly don't. So what do you do in a case like that? A couple different things you can do. You can stick a hose clamp over top of it and lock it in place, or you can use a zip tie. On this one, I'm going to use zip ties. Zip ties will last forever, and they'll hold it in place. Let me just show you real quick. So on this upper one, you see I stuck the zip tie on there, and it's nice and tight and in place. So now on this one, I'm going to do the same thing. So let me just get one and show you. I don't even think I got a zip tie right here. All right, let me go get a zip tie and let me show you. All right, so just like this, you're going to take a zip tie and you're going to stick it over top like this, and then get it kind of in place and just tighten up on the zip tie. And once you get it down and tight, really cinch in on the zip tie. It'll lock it in place. It'll catch into the groove and lock it in place. And what that does is it holds the clip down like this, tight around the line. This way, vibration and stuff doesn't cause the line to pop out. So now, just cut the tether off of that. Don't leave the zip tie like this. I see people do that all the time. That's just being sloppy. Okay. So anyway, that's just like that. But yeah, we're getting this back together. We ran into a little problems with a couple different things, but mostly weather. Because every time it's been, you know, decent weather or decent temperature-wise, it's been pouring rain. And then otherwise, it's, you know, 100 degrees outside and humid. So that's why we put this canopy up. But anyway, so we should have this thing running hopefully by the end of the day or maybe tomorrow morning. But we're going to keep going with this and hopefully get this thing fired up soon. All right, guys, if you get anything on my videos, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.